Hello children and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do class 9th maths chapter 2 polynomials factor theorem. Let px be a polynomial of degree greater or equal to 1 and a be a real number such that pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. So what does this mean? In a simple manner, it means that if x minus a is dividing px, and when we divide, if we get pa is equal to 0, pa means what? It is the remainder. So if our pa is equal to 0, then we can say that x minus a is a factor of px. Okay, so this is what this theorem states, that when x minus a is dividing px and we get remainder to be 0, then we can say that x minus a is a factor of px. So this is what it states. Now conversely also we will be saying the same thing, that is, if x minus a is a factor, if I am saying that x minus a is a factor of px, that indicates that our remainder must be 0 there, that is pa is equal to 0. So now let's see what is written below here. As we know, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Dividend is px, divisor x minus a, quotient is the answer that we get, remainder what we are going to get at last. So px in this case is the dividend, x minus a is the divisor, that is dividing our dividend, and qx is the answer that we get, quotient that means, and rx is the remainder. Okay. Now according to this theorem, this rx, that is the remainder, will be 0, only then x minus a will be the factor of px. So far we have understood how and what is our factor theorem. Now let's do an example for this. Check x minus 2 is a factor of x square plus x minus 6. So here we have to check whether this, that is x minus 2, is a factor of x square plus x plus 6. Substitute the value of x. If remainder is not 0, then we will say it is not a factor of this particular polynomial. So let's try and do this one. So firstly, what we will do is, we will write as x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, now we will simply shift this 2 to the other side. So it is positive 2 now. X's value is 2. So we will substitute x's value is equal to 2 in this polynomial, that is x square plus x minus 6. So wherever we see x, we will substitute it by 2. So 2 square plus 2 minus 6. 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2, 4 plus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 6. 6 cancelled, positive 6 cancelled by negative 6, we get 0. So remainder is 0. So now we can say that this x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. So how will we write this? X minus 2 is a factor of x square plus x minus 6. Now x minus 2, so what we did is simply we substituted the value of x here in this polynomial and tried to find our remainder here. When we got remainder as 0, we wrote it as x minus 2 is a factor of x square plus x minus 6. So hopefully you must have understood this. If you have, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye and thanks for watching.